Hello, welcome to my office. This video is going to be a little bit different than usual because I'm going to walk you through my aquariums that I have and show you the favorite awesome, wonderful plants that I got for my aquarium on Etsy. Now, this part is probably a little bit insecurity, I guess, but I want to give you a caveat that my tanks are not pristine. They are very much active ecospheres, and there is some detritus because of all of the floating plants that I have. What I'm trying to say is, please don't judge me. My tanks are clean, they're just not pristine. So that's my little insecure caveat. But without further ado, what I'm going to do is show you all my different tanks that have plants that I got from Etsy so that you can see them, and then, you know, just have a little aquarium watch and chill. So let's get to it. Also, one more thing, I don't use CO2, so my version of a red plant or a really bright plant is pretty muted, so just giving you a heads up.